Mechanics of our game, all you need to do, just say, Happy birthday, Flynn! Make it longer, okay? The longer, the better. O, unahin na natin to si Kuya. Okay, hi Kuya, what's your name? Simon? Is it Simon? Ayan, Kuya Simon, how old are you? 5 years old na si Kuya Simon. Okay, Kuya Simon, are you ready? Opo, ayan na daw dyan, Kuya Simon. The longest happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, go! Ay, kumanta si Kuya Simon. Kuya Simon, say it longer. Make it longer. Okay? Say, happy birthday, Flynn. Like that. Okay? Ayun. Okay, I will give you a second chance, Kuya Simon. Okay? Kaya naman, the longest happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, go! Kumanta ba yung Flynn? Yay! Kinanta niya si Flynn. Panabakan naman natin si Simon. Simon na tayo dyan. Magkakaroon ka ng consolation prize. Ayun, nanay. Pwede ba yung nanay na lang? Ayan. Naku, baka kabahan yung mga bata. Ayan, congratulations, Kuya Simon. Dito naman tayo kay ate. At least pumunta sa unahan si Kuya Simon. Ate, what's your name? Olivia. Ate Olivia, how old are you? 6 years old. Hindi ka ba nilalamig? Ito pinasuot sa'yo ni Mami. Ayan. Okay, Ate Olivia, are you ready? Opo, kaya naman, the longest happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Flynn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17 seconds! Parang kinabahan yung apat. Natulala sila. O, naka 17 seconds si Ate Olivia. Dito ka lang muna sa side, Ate Olivia. Ayan. Okay. Titignan natin kung maubit nila yung 17. Okay. Kuya, what's your name? Marco. Kuya Marco, how old are you? 8 years old. Kuya Marco, I have a question. Do you think can you beat the 17 seconds of Ate Olivia? Hindi niya alam. Ayan. O, pero malalaman natin yan, Kuya Marco, kaya itatry natin yung best natin. Okay? Kaya naman, the longest happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Flynn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
21 sec! Hindi niya pa alam yun. Ang galing naman ni Kuya Marco, pero I'm very sorry, Ate Olivia. Pero may consolation prize ka, yung may sindan. Congrats, Ate Olivia! Okay, Kuya Marco, dito ka dahil naka 21 seconds ka. Ayun, mas lalong kinabahan ata itong bata. Ayan, okay. Hi, baby girl! What's your name, ate? Nahihiya pa ata. Ano pong name ni baby girl? Cheska! Ayan, Ate Cheska, ready ka na? Ready na? No daw. Okay, pero Ate Cheska, we will try, okay? Ayan, mukhang ayaw ni Ate Cheska. Pero dahil sa Ate Cheska, bibigyan kita ng consolation prize. Halika dito, Ate Cheska. O, ayan, mukhang nahihiya si Ate Cheska. Kinabahan sa 21 ni Kuya Marco. O, dito tayo. Mukhang excited. Excited na si Kuya. Ayan, at mukhang maraming hangin na nakareserba sa kanyang tiyan. Okay. Okay, Kuya, what's your name? Again? Majeo, is that correct po? Marjeo. Okay, Kuya Mar. Kuya Mar na lang ang ano. Kuya Mar, how old are you? 7 years old. Okay, Kuya Mar. I have a question. Do you think can you beat the 21 seconds of Kuya Marco? Ayaw mo bang talunin yung 21 seconds?
Apa.
Ayun. Confident, Kuya Marco. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, ready na yung tiyan niya. Okay, and dahil dyan, Kuya Mar, the longest happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday.
Nakalimutan yung name. Happy birthday, please! Okay, one more, okay? The longest happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Flynn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 seconds lang. Nalisuya si Mami. Tayo dyan, Kuya Mar, meron ka pa rin consolation prize. Okay,